Good evening, tutor and partner. My name is Jesus David Varga Flores. In this moment, I'm going to start the recording the homework. The first reading. Emotions are still are fear that are often intended last for only a short time and are cut directly. I.e. are caused by someone or some circumstance. Positive emotions include joy, pride, relief, or uncapped passion. We more pass positive and joy by always trying to be positive and carefully. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fears, guilt, shame, sending, and disgust. The second, cut back with weights, right row, K knife, take stick, cow cow, pin bin, till pin, teach pitch, they pay, did pin, did pill, duck book, they bay, toy coy, tool cool, take K, toe cow, tone gone, tie go, goy, guy, tat gat, tool chul, tat gat, table gable, tin fin, tail fail, ton tune, fun, tick big, tick big. Intonation statement with the one street. She worked with louder. It stopped. Statement with two street. Tony's reading. May is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statement with the three street. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with the fourth street. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letter with very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Statement with the fifth street. Alex wrote the letter very quickly. Peter is going to the London next month. Tanya is reading a book you brought yesterday. Special question, foreign intonation. What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friend is the interesting policeman, policeman, listen intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? Continue. General question, reason, intonation. Had you reading this book? Had you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Requires listening intonation. Listening intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michelle, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, reason, and failing intonation. Will you come back at 5 or 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? We'll try to do it today or tomorrow. That question, failing or reason intonation. You don't know then, do you? They have fun and hard day. You weren't late, were you? Children, do it surely. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Request reason intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Asking you call me, please. Exclamation sentences, failing intonation. It's good to see you. It's excellent opportunity. Is so happy. I am so happy. Dirty always reason intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating reason intonation. About bread, cheese, and tomato. We need paper, pens, and pencil. Responses. I can. Cheese. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. Okay, this is all for you, all for today. Thank you very much. See you the other opportunity.